What's up, guys? I finally got the Ashtabula video really close to being done. I think it's going to release sometime this weekend. I'm thinking Saturday at 8 o'clock. I should have enough time after work today to actually finish the final couple edits. Um, just so you're aware, you will probably need headphones for some of the things you're going to hear, if you're going to hear them. And if you don't hear them, that's fine. Again, I don't like to do anything to the audio, and the reason being is because when you start isolating, raising volumes, changing things, you tend to have a lot of things that are added to it digitally. I don't know what that's called. I've heard everything from phasing to whatever. I don't really know what the term is. I just know that it does change audio, which is why I don't do it. If you do hear it, awesome. Leave me some comments. If you don't hear it, hey, it's great. Leave me some comments. I don't really care either way. It's not that I'm trying to put something in there that isn't there or whatever, or lead you in a certain direction. It's just what I personally hear myself. And that's all I can do is I can pick them out. I try to leave the ones that I don't hear so well. I try to leave those out. And I don't pick out everything that I hear, so it's just one of those things where I just kind of, it's just the way I do it, So I hope you guys understand why I do it the way that I do it. But the video turned out pretty good. It was a very sad story, and they were leading me in a certain direction, which I thought was super cool. I've never had that happen before. Direct responses and stuff. It was a really cool experience, a little bit different than what we normally do. This was all outdoors. There was people down there too at one point in time, so we had to deal with that and kind of walk away, and eventually came back. But the video turned out really good, and I threw in some of the other things that we did while we were down there. We stopped at a lighthouse, and we stopped at the grave, all that kind of stuff. So I thought all that stuff was pretty cool. So I think it made for a pretty good video. I'm interested to hear what everybody thinks about it. It took me a while to edit this. I do apologize. I've got a new Insta360 camera that I'm just learning how to edit and how to change the views and all that stuff on it. It's a lot to learn for somebody that's just used to a traditional camcorder. So, it just take me a little bit of time to kind of learn what I'm working with. So, I appreciate everybody's patience on that. And I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. If you hear things or see things or whatever that I didn't point out. I know there's a mist at one point that I didn't point out, that I'm probably not going to, because I'm not sure what it is. It's when we're down at the actual train disaster place. So yeah, check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate it.